joining me once again. So today I'm repping the Gaijin Auto Club once again. One of my favourite clubs that I'm in, such loads of great people, just Jap cars, etc. So today on the Fair Lady, there's always an issue, and a lot of people hit this issue. Obviously, to pass MOT standards and everything, you have to have the correct headlight beam in the correct direction, etc. That's why, like, HIDs, apparently, I don't know how true this is, HIDs can no longer pass an MOT. Anyway, that's beside the by. I can sort that out in the future. So, to alter the beam, height, and whichever way, left or right, there's a couple of screws. Now, the screws are still there and they work. However, it's a very, very common thing where the gear inside snaps because it's only made of plastic. So in time, obviously, it breaks down and mine are cracked. And once they're cracked, it just doesn't catch and nothing happens. So I'm going to show you something really, really cool. I'll put it in the description below, the item number it's called. But it turns out the RC company, well, not really RC, yeah, RC parts. There's a company called Tamiya. You've probably heard of them. And they make a differential bevel gear set, okay? And it turns out that one or two of the gears actually fit, and it's the exact same size. It's a bit of a snug fit, but it does fit. And they're made of metal. So, you know, the item number is 50602, but I will put it in the description below. You can get them on eBay, really, really cheap, about £5, I think. So here they are, and the bigger ones, which is that one there, that is what you're going to put in. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All it includes is taking your headlight out, which is only 4 bolts. Well, mine's only 2 because 2 fell out. Anyway, so I'll show you how to do it. And then it should be a simple swap, but we'll find out. Anyway, let's cut to the front. We have the headlight, or one of them. Here's one of the oh, blooming out, weird change. I forgot what you call it. Here what we're looking at, here and here. And I believe there is a, oh, hang on. Yeah. It's hard to see. I'll have to take this out, but they are the cogs inside them. One will be for the main beam, I think, and the other one. But anyway, we'll have a closer look. We'll see what it's saying. There should be 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're a pain in the arse, but I think 2 of mine have actually fell out, so it's okay. And then you can see one down there. You can get to the other one at the back, but it's a really, really tight fit. You might have to take this off and then work around it. And then for the front one, you take that out, and it is literally just up at the top where that T thing is. You can just see, maybe it looks like a T, bit of a red area there. And then the back one, you'd have to put your wheel to the side, and then you can get to the back as well. So once they're all out, your headlight will start to move about. It's very difficult to do one-handed. Let me put this down a minute. Right. So it should there you go. So the headlight is technically out. Then you just have to take the bulbs out so you can take it out fully, or you don't have to take the bulbs out, just take the connectors off. I've got another one there. There we go. Then the H4 bulb, I don't know how it should, there we go. There you go. Headlights out. headlight. So I think it's this side, and possibly, well, actually no, I think it's just that side. But there's got to be something else what is doing that as well. So it might be this as well, but we'll have a look. Could possibly be this here. Well, this screw here is quite loose, and that is the adjustment. So I've got a big feeling that is one of the issues, just because it's loose. This, however, is not loose. This is also quite loose. But let's take them apart and let's have a look at the damage inside. As we take this off, that is what you've got. So obviously, turn the screw, this turns round and changes the angle of the light, left or right. Found out this is actually up and down. That works on both lights, so I'm going to leave that. I'm guessing though, if that was ever to break, you would have to take the casing out and take all the inside out. And this one is for the H4 bulbs. Okay, so we're just going to deal with this one. Now we're going to have to take this off and this one off, just because I don't know which one it is, to be honest. They are turning fine. Ooh. This one is very, very tight, but I'm thinking when a bit of resistance comes between that and that, one of them's either skipping over or just turning and not turning the actual thing. So we're going to replace them for the metal ones. They're a bit of more of a snug fit, and then see where we go from there. Off, and that is the inside there. It looks to be in quite good condition, however, there is a slight crack which could be the issue. And these are them two together, so this is the metal one which will be going on. Apparently they're a really, really snug fit. Yeah, that is true, so I'm going to have to really get that on. To get the plastic one off, all I used was a flat head. You literally just put it under and just prise it up, and then it comes off quite easily. I think with this one, I'm gonna really have to sort that one out. With this one, which is attached to the light, the easiest way I found was to keep it in. Obviously, this is in there with the gear inside, and then prise this up without taking this off, and then the gear will then come away from the inside and will be left inside there for you to take out when you take that out. I've just spent quite a bit of time trying to work out which the easiest way was, and definitely that way. You got more leverage, it's just 10 times better. So now it's time to put the metal cog onto this one. Now the way we're going to be doing this is, the way we're going to be doing this, so the lighting's not the best. I'll have to put the cog in first, and then this inside there. Not a one-handed job. Yeah, so the shaft then goes through there, will go through the gear and then come out the other side, and then that is in. And then we can put it back together and see if it works. This is what I did to that one, and everything is in working order, except on mine it shouldn't be an issue really, because it's quite rare. The screw down there, which obviously changes from left to right, the actual shaft of it has worn away, so I would need a new bolt bit. But other than that, that side is working absolutely fine, and that is how to do it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Plenty more to come. Hope this has helped you in some way. Let me know if you've had this issue and if this has actually sorted this for you. Alright guys, thank you for joining me.